Hi guys, this is Rebecca Kirkwood. I am a clean beauty makeup artist based in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm so excited to come on today to show you how I like to apply my no makeup look. So let's get started. The first step is applying Tinted Moisturizer all over my face. I am using Dew Skin by Beautycounter. I love this one because it leaves a really pretty glowy finish to the skin, and it also has SPF to help ward off any sun damage. So this shade I'm using is shade number 2, and I like it because it has a nice natural neutral undertone. So I'm just doing one pump on my hands. Looks like this much, and that's all I'm gonna need for my whole entire face. So I'm just applying it with my fingers. I'm starting in the center of my face, since that's where I would like the most coverage, even though it is a pretty sheer, transparent finish. Okay, step 2 is concealer. So I'm using a concealer pen. I really love this because it makes it super simple and easy to apply. So you just click the bottom. This shade is Light, also by Beautycounter. And I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes in a starburst kind of a fashion. You see that? On both eyes. And that prevents you know, having that sort of like raccoon eye look that some people get after they apply concealer. And I'm gonna use my ring finger to tap in and blend the concealer. You want to take that right up to the lash line. I'm also going to put a little bit on my eyelid as well. So this helps with discoloration, and it also helps adhere any shadow that you might choose to put on later. And then because I have a little bit of redness on my face already from getting a little bit of color this spring, I'm gonna use a concealer one shade up in medium 1, just around my nose, where I personally get a little bit of redness. I don't want it to be quite as dark as, I don't want it to be as bright there. I have a few spots. I'm going to conceal with that as well. I like to use a concealer that's like a true match to my skin tone when I spot conceal around my face. Spot here. If you use a concealer that is too light or too bright, or that even has a shimmer to it when you're spot concealing, sometimes that actually magnifies some of the issues that you might be trying to cover up and correct. Okay, so step 3 is blush. I love this blush. I'm using Melon today, and I'm using an angled brush, tapping the brush into the palette, tapping off the excess. I'm gonna smile and apply right to the apples of my cheeks with a really light hand. And blend it up towards my cheekbone. Isn't that pretty? So I say to always sort of follow the natural apples of your cheeks if you're not sure where to apply. Just blending the edges a little bit. That's really pretty. All right, next, let's do our brows. I'm using a brow pencil. The shade is medium. And I'm just drawing this on with hair-like strokes. I always like to brush my brows with a little spoolie brush that comes with the pencil. Okay, next step is a little coat of mascara. I'm using Beautycounter's volumizing mascara in black. I love this big brush. And even if you just have concealer on, it's still a nice finish on your eye. Okay, and the last step is lip gloss. I'm using the shade Peony. It's a really pretty natural light pink. Love that shade. Okay, so there you have it. Really simple, no makeup look. I feel like you can see my skin shining through. It looks really natural, which is the final look I was really going after today. So hopefully this helped you. And if you're interested in recreating this look for yourself, you can actually get all 6 of these products bundled together in a set, 20% off on the Beautycounter website. So check out the link attached to my page to shop and browse, and reach out to me if you have any questions about what colors or shades might be right for you. I would be more than happy to help you. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.